Hey there, Luke here, the founder of Virtus Creative Studios. In today's devlog, we have got some awesome progress to show off on EmberVein, featuring the name reveal for the healer character walking around in the game, along with an ability that we're working on for it. In addition to that, we're also going to be showing off some enemy AI concept art, along with a brand new wallpaper for ultra-wide users showing off a couple of different characters. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive straight into the devlog. To kick things off, we want to take a rewind back to our healer character showcased in the last development log, where we asked for name suggestions. Introducing Scalpel, a great reference to the character being a doctor. Thanks to everyone that made suggestions, we're going to be doing the same thing for future characters in the upcoming development logs. We've now got the healer walking around in the game with some placeholder animations, all set up in the same way as Jack Savage with console inputs. We've started to work on the first round of player abilities, starting with the movement based abilities for both Jack and for Paul. Scalpel has an ability which can be used to jump backwards out of the way of threats. You'll be able to make some awesome combinations with this ability and the ranged attacks that we do have planned. The movement ability can be activated by pressing shift or clicking the thumbstick down on the controllers and has a relatively short cooldown. We've also added the disintegrate ability, which will stop the player dead in its tracks and spawn a large laser of chemical energy, which will deal damage to enemies or heal friendly players that it hits. Lastly, for abilities, we have the Energy Blast, which is a slow moving, high damage dealing ability which will knock back enemies and also heal players in a small radius of the blast. We've also been spending a little bit of time bringing the character selection screen to life further and have incorporated 3D characters into the user interface. This will give the player a better view of the character that they'll be playing as and also give them an opportunity to get excited about the characters. We've also been working behind the scenes on the enemy AI concept art. DevStar Fabio has drawn up the basic enemy and an armoured enemy, both of which will have access to a variety of different weapons ranging from stun bats, guns and even rocket launchers, all of which will cause you to react differently and play the game a little bit differently depending on the enemy that you encounter. In terms of lore, the enemy AI are part of a private army sent in by the company that did the experiments on the characters, turning them into these crazy chemical fueled beasts. Finally, I also wanted to announce we have a brand new wallpaper available to the community. This was put together by dev staff Manuel and is built specifically for users that are using ultra-wide monitors, and it fits both of those characters there. If you want to download these, once again, the link for which is in the description, taking you over to the EmberVein website. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that is everything for today's devlog. I'm really excited to show you all where this game is going. You can expect to see a brand new development log for EmberVein go live every fortnight with new content and development updates. To stay up to date, make sure you smash that like button and drop a follow on our social media pages, the link for which are all in the description. We are very passionate about making this game something that everyone will enjoy. Having said that, if you have a suggestion as to where the game should go or something we should change, be sure to let us know in the comments down below. But for now guys, as always, stay awesome, keep creating.